You need to hear this if you're an animal lover. These shocking moments will change the way you see the wild forever. First up, imagine a peaceful day at the safari until a lion charges straight at the vehicle, jaws wide open. Watch as tourists scramble for safety, capturing every heart-pounding second. Next, a serene hike takes a terrifying turn when a bear suddenly appears, roaring ferociously as the hikers try to remain calm and film the encounter. Their bravery will astound you. And finally, an ordinary day at the beach turns chaotic when a great white shark breaches the water, mere feet from unsuspecting swimmers. The sheer power and speed will leave you breathless. Don't miss the full video for more jaw-dropping moments. Hit subscribe for your dose of nature's wild side. Stay safe out there.